So this is from, what did you call it?
Flaxseed.
Flaxseed. So this is from flaxseed. So I'm gonna do some some poppy seed grinding in there, and that's fine. That won't hurt nothing. So over here, this is a little thick, so Cookie's gonna add some honey in there.
Except,
Not the crusty stuff.
well, yeah.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna start grinding this.
You did say there's 4.
Okay, so here's some poppy seed. Put the lid on. And
Wow, that thing sounds funny. I haven't heard it for a while.
wow, this needs a lot. Can't even tell. Must be dull. Oh yeah, it's
You
doing
got
it.
too much in there.
No, it's doing it. How do you want it? It's already.
Well, it's kind of broken up.
It is.
Yeah, dust.
Okay.
Dump it in the bowl. And I guess since you got that thing out,
It's number 1.
is it gonna be too much to do all of it?
No.
Clean out the machine.
Sounds like it's done. Yeah. Put this in. And since you're done, plug it. Let this loose. I'm cleaning it. Just getting this loose. Okay.
Yeah, let me see what I'm gonna mix this with. There we go. Spravila.
Tell them what you got in there.
Poppy seed and milk and sugar. Good.
Okay, so this one is gonna use Lekvar, which is what do you call it?
Plum,
Plum jam,
plum butter.
butter. Okay, spread part way.
Couple spoons, couple tablespoons.
Yeah. And then we're gonna put poppy seed mix in one layer and roll it up. So these are the last 2. There's one more sheet left. So that's gonna make 2. Oops. Got stuck here a little bit.
Grabbing my spoon. Or following my spoon. Yeah, I think that's it.
That's
Yeah, this is plum butter because it's
plum butter.
just
Yes.
sugar and plums and water.
Okay.
Or probably no water even.
Its own water.
No Cerdo. Cerdo is
Okay.
jam.
This is poppy seed. Ground
This is my invented poppy seed
and a little bit
filling.
of honey and milk and sugar. Yeah, it's hard to tell. It's all the same. Yeah, make sure you can use enough because, well, you can use it for something else too.
No, it's going to be used up.
Okay. Yeah, just spread it part way. There you go. It's going to take 2 layers.
It's bitter though. Wow, is it bitter?
Don't worry about it.
Well, it's not going to keep me from eating it, that's for sure.
Yeah, I guess.
Is that
because
about half of it?
Yeah.
I mean,
Because it stands.
well, who knows how many years I've had it in the fridge.
Yeah, so it gets a little bitter, but that's why it's best to use fresh poppy seed.
When you can find it.
And you can find it, exactly. Because it's hard to get a hold of that stuff. But apparently they have it in the European store.
Yeah, we gotta go find that store
Yeah.
one of these days and
When we're ready to make them.
go
Not gonna
shopping.
keep it in fridge for freezer for a year.
Yeah, maybe I shouldn't just, maybe I
That's-
should just give that one to the bowls.
To the bowls.
And when I'm gonna make fresh,
Bowls. Yeah. What did you say?
give it to the bowls.
Well, I thought you said bowls.
That much.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We have bowls in our compost bin, so they eat up everything. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm gonna just oil that and make the next one. There you go. Okay.
She's trying to reach and she can't.
Okay, so I'm gonna
That was like, oh,
Okay.
I might as well just use up the rest of this, I
the
guess.
last one. So yeah, we're gonna use it. The plum.
Check out what those guys are doing.
Okay,
They're done
let's
now.
check what these guys are doing. The timer's out, so yeah, this is the cheese.
Brown enough or?
No,
Okay, didn't five more minutes.
is it on 325?
Yeah, something.
Okay, so then we're gonna leave it for another 5-10 minutes till it browns. And so this is the last Lekvar and Mac plum butter and poppy seed. And there's no more sheets left, so
We're
after
done.
this, we're done. Just gonna ground up.
No, we're not.
No.
No, we're gonna throw it out.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. 'Cause it's been bitter
When we
already.
get fresh one, then I can make collage.
Mm-hmm.
But not until this stuff's all used up. Don't want to
that's
have
fine.
too much baking around.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't tell.
It's gonna have lots. Okay.
Oh boy.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be juicy.
Get in there.
Oh well, you can probably squash it like that.
It won't stay. It's
Oh,
gonna
the inside's there.
be tucked under, but that's okay.
Yeah, maybe just inside.
I'm not doing
Layer
it.
after, you know, like, so that you're now wrapping the bent one.
Oh.
There you go. Just do the top or squash it in. Okay, that's fine. Okay, last one.
Yeah,
That one's too late.
All
Right.
right.
Oil it, and then
Yay.
just wait for the oven for those to come out. And
Now,
there we go.